as a KRKian, this is my creed, my promise, and my legacy. I will never change, hate, nor doubt.
A few moments later.
Hello mga guys, KRKian sisters. Sisimula na po ang induction ng White Crow chapter dito sa may Labuan Purok 3, Alvarez Drive. Okay po, salamat sa mga dumalo na galing sa iba't ibang chapter sa araw na to sa pag-induct ng White Crow chapter. Ayan po si Brad Nat Pulalon ng Vlogger Falcon chapter. Lodi Bird, si Aileen Mampo ng Golden Color Awit, si Tit Jackie ng King Buto Recorder Lambogo. So long live KRKian. Advisor ng Zebra Print Vince Chapter Harukan. Ayan po, napakagwapo, may bigote. Ayan. Ayan po yung mga members and officers ng White Crow. Araw na ito, naiinak po sila. Yung iba nandun pa sa mga kanya-kanya trabaho.
Inabantan niyo na muna yung mag-grade na muna kita niyo kasi first nag-naansin kita niyo mag-grade.
Ako, White Crow chapter, Gonglip.
Buwas waktu.
Dito sa may Alvarez Drive.
Sumbayan pa. Kumag kita mga 10 minutes beyond.
Uy, pa sila nag-bag.
Meron pa?
Uy, start na kita.
Uy, nagbang, ayaw na.
Nagbang na?
Nagpasunta na sa kuwan.
Di ay ko rin yung
Nagbang.
Yan po mga KRKians, napakagwapo. Mga sis, napakaganda rin po. Yan. Okay. Follow na rin po sa page ni Badel sa Kababi Del Valle.
Pagkat niyo mag-grade sa office ipasali kayo na program na. Submit my body and soul to the will of KRK. I am a KRKian. I believe in the endless task of the KRK. I am a KRKian. We will support and defend the objectives of the KRK. I am a KRKian. For the betterment, for the benefit of and prosperity and my fellow men. I seek for no reward, nor glory, but for only one God, spirit of brotherhood, peace and unity. Open program kita ni. Kung sa mga apply, Abi ako na open program kita niyo. Split na mo na before kita mag-take out na. Nataw-taw niyo na. Abi ako. Taking na mo na. Abi ako, mag-taking mo na kita niyo. In mag-out ka rin ni Wanaruwa in chairman na to kalasahan. Ni Chairman G.K. Salim. Napaga na to. Long lead! Mag-out kita na. Ano ni posisyon nyo, amatuin kabuton nyo. Ngan nyo, pag-umot posisyon nyo. Dato. Ano ni posisyon? That I will support and defend the Constitution and bylaws of the Knight of the Right Keepers, Kappa Rho Kappa, family, fraternity, and sorority. That I will bear true faith and alliance to the same, and that I will obey the orders of the founder, international headquarters, headed by the founding chair, the father founder, and the others of the officers appointed over me, according to the regulation and the code of conduct of being true knights of the Right Keepers. So help me God. Okay, magsupol. Kami ako na mag-award kita sin certificate nila as official. Mabati. Mari kita KRK Bao. Yung magpasay ni, on request ng mobang manjari. Bilang tasya misan na guman, kapitan mo, marika mo, bilang visiting ta. Kasi misan na siya. Okay, siya yung magkuhan ini. Brad Bobby. Brad Bobby, ikaw sa sila Bobby, magkuhan kaya tibaw na to. Mayari Brad Bobby. Hi! As a KRKyan, this is my creed. My promise and my legacy. I will never change, fade, nor doubt its leadership. Ever since the day I was born in the KRK family, I will stay pure, solid, and never be neutralized. This is my commitment and my appointment, never to surrender to any force or any obstacle, in any situation, in the good times or in the bad times. I will stay strong, even up to the last breath of my life. All my life, I will dedicate it to my beloved fraternity, as I have vowed never to give up, whatever it may cost me. This I swear on my honor and my oath. I love Turkey. I love Turkey. I love Turkey. Long live Turkey. Long live. Long live. Okay, magsubol kayo mo, Chancellor Papi. Congratulations. Congratulations, everyone. Chapter niyo, White Crown Chapter. Okay, nakakagod. Mamanjari, ano ko siya second ini. Magpala kita niyo, mag-award kita niyo si certificate. Certificate ini basta.
Hoy, kaniya sa ini.
Ako yung mamasa, mag-award ka to ni D.K. Salim, attested by
by Omar Saleh, SK, Omar Musa, SK Rajki Abdul Ghaffar, Senior Lady Knights, Mersa Dumaga, ng po tinahod nato din ang pandami, bro, Engineer from Engineer Bird, Aparu Papa, Fraternity, Family Fraternity and Sorority, Founders International Headquarters, Head Office, Zamboanga City, CRN, W, CC-240729. This certificate of recognition hereby granted to Norsali Maadil, Senior Lady Knights, Mersa and Dumaga, Brother Eddie Minal, Eddie Kurandi, and Sis Nor Alisa Abdul Ghaffar, White Crow Chapter, Orok 3, Alvarez Drive, Labuan, Zamboanga City, for the accomplishment of all requirements set forth by the five, henceforth all rights and privileges shall be accorded to the concern. Given this 29th day of July 2024 at Zamboanga City, Philippines, signed by our founder, Gerson Concepcion, Matirin A. Velasco, Senior Lady Knight, Senior Lady Grand Knight, Australia, Royal Ruiz Denson, Senior Grand Knight, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Rolly Cadus, Senior Grand Knight of Malaysia, Toyoshi Murakami, Senior Grand Knights of Japan, is hereby awarded to White Crow Chapter, Purok 3, Alvarez Drive, Labuan, Zamboanga City.